Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. So we are going to start off with the chart on our screen. This is the Brent oil. We have a very good resistance level here. So you can see what happened during January. The price actually closed above this black line. So as it is now, we expect price to pull back up to this point here, up to 83.454. So that we continue looking for buy positions. So we'll be looking for a buy position if the price can pull back and touch at this level here, 83.454, this one, then that will give us the correct place to look for a buy from, at least up to this point here. So basically the idea will be to watch for price around 83.454. Then we'll pick a buy position, at least up to this level here. Our next target, if that target is broken, is this point here. So the best place to buy it from is actually when the price gets to this point here. The next symbol which I'd like us to look at is the SP500. So with the SP500 so far, you can see the way the previous month's candle actually crossed. I want to look at something here. I'm forecasting that the price will likely continue to the upper side. So I'm going to explain why I'm saying that is true. So look at the past. So we scroll back. There is no much data. Look at this candle here. Look at this candle here. Then look at this candle. Then look at this candle here. Then look at this candle. Look at this candle here. And then look at this one. Then this one. And then the one we have currently. So all these candles indicate the same thing. All of them after the appearance of a candle which looks like this. For some reasons, the price actually went to the upper side. So for the first time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time, sixth time, and this the seventh time, which means the price may likely continue to the upper side. So on this chart, technically, we are actually looking forward to the buyers having full control. We expect buyers to push price much higher. We are actually looking forward to a possible break above 4814.8. So the price may continue up to this level here, break beyond it, then continue even higher. Our next symbol is the Euro USD. So the Euro USD so far, it looks like the price headed to the lower side, but something really interesting happened yesterday. So look at the way this pattern looks like, this one here. And then also look at this pattern here. So anytime this pattern forms, that is when you have one big red candle, then a small candle, either green or red, then the next candle is opposite the first one and is way bigger than all the past two. That means we are continuing in that direction. So it always signifies a reversal. Like in our case here, you can see that the price came down, it reversed from this point, then headed to the upper side, at least up to this point here. The same thing happened here. So this means that the price will likely continue to the upper side today and possibly tomorrow. So we do expect buyers to have full control on this chart. We have our level there. So if the price should pull back down up to 1.11949, then this will be the correct place to buy it from, at least up to this point here. So we have a level here, 1.11949. If the price can pull back and touch this level, we are going to look for a buy position, at least up to somewhere along this trend line here. Our next symbol is the GBPUSD. So with the GBPUSD so far, the reversal we had on USD is actually the same one, which we're seeing, which happened here. You can see it here. And the price has actually continued to the upside. So we have this level here. That is a very good sell place. We also have another level here, very good support. Then we have another level here, and then we have another level here. So if for some reasons the price breaks above this level 1.34703, then that will be the ideal place to look for a buy from. So if the price goes up, and breaks beyond 1.34703, then that will be the ideal place to continue looking for a buy from. We are expecting that buy to push us up to the upper side. So basically, the price will likely extend after the break above this level here, 1.34703. We expect a continuation to the upper side, at least up to 1.37081. My next symbol is the US dollar, Japanese yen. We have it here. So on this chart, we had a breakout. There was this bullish breakout. It broke above this pattern, this shape. So yesterday, remember what I mentioned? I said that if the price does not clearly break above this level, you can see it did that. It came yesterday while we were forecasting, the price was actually above this level here. I said this is going to be a very good place to look for a sell from. So if you sold it there, expect sellers to continue pushing price to the lower side, at least up to this level here. Then the next level is this one. And then the next level is this one here. So as it is now, we are looking forward for a sell. We are expecting sellers to push price down at least up to this point, 114.626. Our next target is 113.362. Then the next target is 112.62653. So the next symbol, which I want us to look at, gold. So gold so far, if you remember what I mentioned yesterday, I actually said that we've just broken below I mentioned yesterday that we've just broken a bar below a very good trend line, which is this one here. So we had some support here. We had a support here. We had a support here. There was this breakout. So as it is now, the price is actually struggling around the same trend line. So if today's candle for some reasons closes above this black line, then that would be a sign that the move which you had below this level here was actually a false breakout, and that the price may likely continue to the upper side, at least up to this trend line here. So if the price is to continue up, or maybe if somebody draws this like this, it would still make some sense, and then the price may likely extend itself to the upper side, at least up to this point here. So we're expecting buyers. We're expecting buyers to push price upward with our target fixed at this point here. If the price goes below the lower trend line, then expect a sell-off up to the first target, which is this one. Next target is this one here. And on the upper side, this is our target. We have this. We have this. And we have this one here. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.